So I have a new project going on today, and I would like you guys to see how I develop it. I have the fronts here, and actually the front and the back, and then the sleeves. I have them on the side, and of course I have a top band. And let's see how it is. This is a top, girl's top, and let's just see how it's gonna come out. I'm going to use this overlock sewing machine. Although this is for swimwear, I'm going to use it for this material because it's stretchy. I'm going to go ahead and close the armhole on this side, and then eventually the rest of them. I'm going to start from there, from bottom to top. And here's the outcome. She's missing arms, so I probably have to try it on a different mannequin, but so far it looks good. It's a size small, so it's a little bit tight on her, but it's good. So the next thing I'm going to create, it's going to be probably a medium size, but I believe it's good. I think I like the way how it came out. And so this option, I opted for this way, but I wanted to do like marrow, so it could be waving. So I think the next one I'm going to make, it's going to be like that. But so far this is what we just created. Thanks for following. Here's another view. This is another way how the blouse can be used. Again, it's a little bit tight on them. I believe it's extra small, but the fabric stretches, so I have the advantage to kind of stretch it out a little bit, and then she can wear it like that, or like the other shoulder, like this. And so I have some ideas because I could combine with some crushed velvet but brown instead of just one color, so I can match it with this skirt. But I mean, that is something I'm thinking about. The other girl, she had almost a similar skirt, so I wasn't able to see the difference. But and it's a little bit tight, but overall the look, it's good, so I'm happy about it. This is actually the perfect set. I made this one some time ago. It's my sample, so it has a little hook here, and basically the bottom stays open, but just for the sake of the picture you could go like that. Although she's gonna be a little bit cold on the front, but for the beauty, cold is nothing. So this is a great pattern, and it's available if you guys want to order paper version. I don't have a printable version yet. I can work on it if I have a lot of requests, but so far it's available. And then if you guys, this is an extra small. If you guys want longer sleeve, you could use the same body, just extend the sleeve, and you could do so many things with this pattern. This is stretch material, and so it's available. Thanks for stopping by. Let me know if you want one copy, and I can take care of it. God bless you all. Check out the rest of the videos before I take off, and I will see you in the next video. God bless you all. Bye bye.